through whiskey glasses. You underrated as fuck. I hate this internet shit, bro. At the end of the day, gang, I ain't even tripping, bro. One thing you can't do is hide talent, gang. You know what I'm saying? You can't hide. We good? Let's do it. I'm ready to take off the goddamn clothes. I'm gonna change in the back of the plane. When we get on there, just make sure it's like me and like cut out, cause everybody gonna do their own thing. Yeah. Chat, Pete, accessory, chrome accessory, dice, dice. In and Out, bro. I did my event, In and Out, twin. In and Out Burger. Yeah, PJ, twin. What you talking about? We go big jump.
A lot of somebody that hit me and told me, I see you on Ben shit, boy, keep working.
Bro, niggas are crazy, dog. Hey, he said nigga hit him like, hey man, I see you on Ben shit, keep working.
Hey, bro, I'm working hard in this business.
Hey, bro, black people are the funniest people in the world, gang. Hey, keep doing your thing.
Hey, let us see a nigga on that screen.
Yeah, they do, bro. Black people be thinking like if you on a screen of anything, you done made it.
Something in your bank account. You
Bitch, you know how easy it is to get on camera?
Hey, you get young fella out of eviction status, bro?
He
said you was gonna
no, I talked to him. I had to figure out what he was talking about, and then he basically said he got a bad deal with a manager. He owned $3K, and he just streamed. I'm like, you ever thought about getting a job? He's like, nah. I said, oh, well, that. Yeah, that nigga, I thought you was just down on your ass. Like, you know how some niggas can't? They got like prison shit, like jail shit, or they mom on dope or some shit. Like, he don't want to work. And I told him, you better pick up some weed. Y'all laughing. Bro, I be so tired nigga laughing when I'm being serious. You better pick up that goddamn, hey. Get them you know what, you get some pounds for $600-700, they gonna be bullshit. Put some spray on that motherfucker. You got you a Zop pack. You know how many finesse packs I had to get off to eat? Won't need no ride, chat. In GTA for shit show. Aiden did not get this PJ. What the fuck are y'all talking about? W stream for show. Last call. Swear this will be my last call. 2 more amen. Cause I ain't never heard like this again. Don't wanna think about it or worry without it. Don't wanna hit the karaoke bar, can't think without it. So make them drink strong, cause brother, she's gone. And if I'm ever gonna move on, I'm gonna need some whiskey glasses. If I'm gonna make it through. If I'm gonna be single, I'm gonna need a dope shot of that heartbreak brew. Check. Don't watch a nigga get undressed. All right, let me make sure my little suit shit back in. Got my merch here, a bunch of chrome jeans. Hold on, chat.
Damn, you keep doing this shit on accident.
What?
You keep changing the follower mode.
What that mean?
To 10 minutes. No, now it's good. Okay.
What'd I do?
Now you keep changing to like 1 hour.
I keep clicking shit? My bad. Unc don't know what the hell going on. Last call. Got my backwood. I'm finna roll up. Yeah, you can set that bitch up. Hold on, Chad. Let me get this shit. Y'all talking about slow down? Yeah, I'm finna roll up on this bitch, Chad. Real talk. Had to take them big ass cowboy boots off. I ain't gonna lie, damn, they need to take these pants off too, though. I'm gonna need some whiskey glasses. My bad, Chad. Let me get my shit together first. I'm about to come right back to y'all. Did you enjoy the fight, sis? You enjoyed the fights?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. For sure that.
You did good.
Huh?
I said you did good.
Thank you. I'll just go out there and cut up. I don't got shit else in my mind except acting a fool.
When you're home alone, do you like ever just like does your social battery just like turn off, or do you?
It completely turns off.
Are you still like this all the time?
I feel like I'm like this when I'm around like more people. You know what I'm saying? Like especially people I care about that are like my people.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like I know what my purpose is. I know like what energy I give. But when I'm home and I'm dolo, and I don't got like no work to do. I got work coming up. My shit's just completely down. You know what I'm saying?
But you're like a people person, so.
Yeah.
You don't, like me, I can't like be around a lot of people all the time because I just like my social battery gets drained.
Your shit get drained quick.
Yeah, it's impressive that you're able to do it.
I mean,
But you're funny, so
yeah. I mean that helps.
yeah.
Yeah. Cause imagine if I was saying shit and nobody was laughing. It's like, all right, nigga, what are you doing? What's up, Pop?
Yeah.
You all right?
Injured.
I was injured.
Yes.
Okay.
Big ass bag.
Yeah, I'm about to move that shit, bro. Bryce, you sneaking snacks?
Sneaking snacks. What snacks am I gonna eat?
Chad said you was sneaking snacks, nigga. Better not be a snack sneak nowhere. Make sure they don't look at my little drawers. Hey. Matter of fact, hand me them pants by you. Yeah, these them bitches right here. Put them on. Whoever sent me these track pants, send me some more in every color. I appreciate you. You stay in Atlanta. I forgot y'all name, but send me some more Cash Talk. I know that's the name, but I don't know y'all name who gave it to me. Big Boss, can we put it back there? Huh? Can we put this back there?
Yep.
All right. It's ready, Bob. Y'all go tell Cash Talk them I need some more. I already got the green set. I need whatever else set, because these shit's comfortable as fuck, fool. This type of shit I like wearing. If I can wear track. Bro, they need to make some shit like this, all chrome. Chrome, stupid crosses. On that. Should I have grabbed that weed? No. Bro, I done burnt this goddamn bag out. The last 2 tours I did, This shit so burnt. Huh? I'm sure it is. It ain't come off, did it? Yeah, if it ain't came off, it's still on there. Hold on. Exactly. You got that bag? I don't want to think about it. I dropped the whole nug. Cause brother, she's gone. And if I'm ever gonna move on. Chat, can y'all see me good? Young Mystical gave out. Hold on. Mystical, bro, what the fuck?
What she do?
Oh, she just dropped 45 in that bitch, bro.
What?
Young Mystical, you're a fucking goat, bro. What the fuck? Mystical, I promise I'm gonna play duty with you when I get back home. When I get back home, I'm playing duty with you. W fucking Mystical in the fucking chat, bro. I just not seen all this shit. Don't end stream. Don't end stream.
We're not ending right now.
W fucking 45 gifted, bro. She's so goated, bro. W Mystical. Why ain't go to Rob Pool Party? Do you not see I had to work today? Like, what do y'all be talking about? Like, y'all wasn't just on stream with me. Why you ain't go to do shit? I got work to do, twin. Oh, that look good, Bryce. How's position?
Oh yeah, no, it's straight. It's tough.
W Mystical for shit show, y'all. She got me turned. Definitely cannot be a million places at once. Like, bro, I promise y'all I'll be trying to do as much as I possibly can. And I do a lot of shit, but it's like, bro, I still got to be able to, like, breathe. I said, this a W thumbnail, is it? Yes, ma'am, I will play with you for shit show. Let's do it. Kai just now hit me. Boy, we good. Thank you, Kai. I got unbanned. I hit you in Phantom. W fucking Phantom. Chat, you gotta understand when you plugged in with people, you're not gonna pay what everybody else pay for no PJ. This shit like $4,000 an hour. Just paying for gas. This ain't like you don't gotta pay all the extra broker fees and none of that other shit them niggas be having to pay. Yeah, so it's not as expensive as y'all think. The shit ain't that bad. Cause I don't wanna see it through. If I'ma be single, I'ma need a double shot of that heartbreak proof. They ain't even Twitch fault, they just have automatic scans for shit. Okay. What day are we today? 20? Today's 20 or 19?
I think it's 19.
Because Morgan, I think Morgan would have been 19, but I didn't get the stream. But that still count, don't it?
We still got some clips off, so we can stay 20.
Yep. I'm telling Kyle, well, I appreciate you nonetheless. Nonetheless. Kai said he done been held down for 30 days before.
That shit sucks.
W fucking Kai in the chat, y'all. Yeah, shit had me sick as fuck. But I get unbanned in 4 hours?
Something like
Air 29 stream. But I got unbanned in 4 hours. My bad, chat. I'm trying to do 30 shits at once. Yeah, WKC3 in the motherfucking chat. Now they talking about that's what you get. Yeah, I was banned earlier today, chat. Like, some of y'all don't know because y'all just know I got back on the junk. Hater. That shit crazy. Hey, man, y'all don't wake up every day hating on the next man, man. You do what I'm saying? Go get you some paper, man. Yeah, Young Mystical went fucking crazy. Texas Made 5 with the sub. I appreciate you. I saw you. How y'all gonna tell another man? You said I'm not allowed in Canada no more. You heard I smashed your girl. Who was your girl, twin? Who was your girl, twin? No. I don't owe y'all 48. I owe y'all 24 hours for shit show. I'm gonna do that when I get home for sure. Or Atlanta. You think I should do it in Atlanta? Boris? 24 hours that I owe them. Yeah, but I'm saying, when should I do the 24? And it probably would like Reggie and them. I could do one with Reggie and them. Motherfucker text me say anything. I ain't gonna lie. Let a nigga roll up his weed in peace. Oh, for plot. I know you goddamn clip everything. That's fine. I don't owe y'all no 48 hours. That was Bryce saying that shit, nigga. Unless I say it and I'm 24, but they saying some nigga talking about the PJ for a clip. Yeah. Oh, I meant to tell y'all what's bro name who made that viral, who posted that viral clip.
BenDaDonnn live.
Never in my life, dumbass. I told y'all whoever be clipping my shit and y'all make viral videos, bro, I will just throw y'all some bread. What's buddy? It's called BenDaDonnn Live?
Yeah, BenDaDonnn live.
He on TikTok? I'm gonna send that nigga like 300. What you think I should send him 250, 300? I mean, I don't give a fuck. I'm finna go to it. He made a whole clipping page for me, and I told y'all on my chat, like whoever like get a viral video over like 1 million, 1.5, I'll throw y'all some bread, bro. Cause y'all working, even though I know y'all getting paid, y'all still working and helping me. You know what I'm saying? Let me figure out BenDaDonnn Live is his page. What video? Oh shit, this nigga got everything clipped.
Everything. He clipped everything, bro.
Oh yeah, this nigga clipped literally everything. 54, 38, blah, 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 blah. Oh, this shit got 1.6 M's. All right, BenDaDonnn live, 1.6 M's. I got you. Send me your cash out. Okay, bet. I got your PayPal. I'm finna send you 300 right now, twin. I appreciate you. That's for looking out. My community fuck with me. I'm gonna fuck with y'all back. I promise that. I got your info right now. I'm finna send it. W clip a payout. Send bread. Send mañan. Tool. Paste. I appreciate y'all too, chat. Let me see, paste. That wasn't right. Oh, that's an app, bro. Oh, that's Cash App. Yeah, get his Cash App and PayPal. I'll pay for it right now. W, my boy. Nah, we ain't moving yet. Don Dollars for I stamped it. Let him buy it to him. Should I get? No. Be right. All right, I got his shit right now. This the right one?
Ready, guys. Closing door. Yep. Okay, perfect. 1.5 hour also. Perfect. 410. What was good, but if you need something, just let us know. Okay. Let me put the light in the bathroom. We got the ginger.
Yeah,
I bought the six. Oh, no worries. No worries. Sorry.
I'm sending you the bread right now. Whoever did that clip, it's a free 300 for a viral clip. For a viral clip in chat, just so y'all can see that. Still in the wall. I don't know, whatever. But just know you got bread. I'm sending it right now, bro. For a viral clip. W chat. For friends and family. For viral clipping. You sent 300 USD. Bow. Appreciate y'all, chat. The love is gonna always be returned. W's in the chat. Yeah, for sure that, bro. I'm a man of my word, chat. I don't even play with y'all like that. You said thank you? No, thank you, gang. I got you. Fucking www. What's up, my nigga? WW's in the fucking chat. I stamped it. Yeah. Agent said he wants more content with me. That's my nigga, bro. I fuck with Agent. Will we take off? That's fine. When that motherfucker start moving, love you, chat. Out of here.
Oh, it's illegal in here.
Huh?
So it says illegal in here to. Well, we're not even in here though.
Wait, what? Wrap it up. All right, bet. We can do that. All right, chat. I'm about to take off. I love y'all. Can y'all flood the chat with W's? Yeah, let's raid Mystical.
Oh, yeah.
Raid Mystical. I'm gonna roll this little dope up, chat. Smoke my little tweeds and handle my knees.
What's your,
Young Mystical, I don't know. It's something like that though.
everybody that lost in fight? What the hell?
He did not say that. I'm gonna start showing love to a lot of like smaller content creators too, bro. Cause like it's not easy. So I got y'all. Like, but just let me do it. Don't like overly be like being. No, let me do it. I'm gonna do it out the goodness of my heart. I don't need no like no push outs and no shit like that, bro. Like that'd be a lot of folk problem. You like overly expect it just cause I said it. Like let me do it. I'm the one who said it, and I ain't no just talking ass nigga. We going to flood mystical shit, man. Y'all show love to her, man. I appreciate y'all. W's in the fucking chat, man. W in the motherfucking chat, bro. I'm gonna keep fucking with y'all. Day 20. Day 20 is a wrap.
Right.
Day fucking 20. All right, y'all.
I know it's good.
I'm off.
I'm about to do it right now.
All right. Love y'all. Love y'all. Chat.